Adderley. It is very nice to meet you, and I welcome you to this video. It is very nice that you have taken the time to watch this, and oh shit. I appreciate that. I am joking. I am not actually reading this. This is an assignment brief. Today, I am going to be showing you. Second time lucky. Right, I'm going to be showing you what I have done today. I am so proud of it. I actually have a boner. Now, I don't actually know what a boner is, so if you could leave a comment in the end telling me, you possibly could get a packet of Haribo's. Possibly not, but maybe. I hope you enjoy. Hang on. Let me speak to my technical director. We're having some issues, and we're going to get some dramatic music for you. Hello, technical director. Can we get some dramatic music? Yes, I think we can get some dramatic music. Let's get it now for you. Thank you, technical director. I appreciate that.
Now you say you're lonely. You cry the whole night through. Well, you can cry me a river. Cry me a river. I cried a river over you.
Oh, sorry there. I did not see you. I was busy looking at myself in the mirror. You have now have my attention, so I will lower my chair so you can see my hair. Right, I hope you have enjoyed my video today, and if you did like it, can you like it? If you did not like it, do not like it. Thank you very much.